You are going to love the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.